Hello everyone, my name is Jelesay and welcome sa game called Gunita, made by Chirchera Interactive. So yung game na to is based sa kanyang lola and dinedicate niya para sa kanyang lola. So let's check this game out. Ang ganda ng bahay. Typical na Pinoy.
Nauwi na po ako.
Ganito yung mga typical na bahay sa probinsya. Namiss ko tuloy lola ako. My brother Joel is constantly busy. I wonder how Boracay is. My brother Ellie must have a great time there. Nasa Boracay yung kapatid ko. Okay. I miss you, Grandpa. My cousin looks like adorable in this photo. I wonder how degree grandma graduated with. Si Lola pala yan. Okay. Lola looks happy here. Okay. Why is it so messy in here? Dad is always working hard, putting in so much. This photo has so many loved ones in it. They look so happy in this photo. Okay. Jello, Joel, Ellie. Hanapin natin si Lola. Ay, Lola.
Oh, Nando, andyan ka na pala. Kumain ka na ba?
Si Angel po.
Halika, Nando. Tikman mo tong kaldereta. Di ba ito ang lagi mong gusto?
Lola, Angelo po. At saka lumpia po yung paborito ko.
O siya, mag-dance ka muna bago ka kumain.
Okay, change your clothes in the wardrobe in the bedroom. Ay, okay. Ganda ng kwarto. Ang laki. Okay, change muna tayo ng... I'm Angelo, not Nando. Is it because I look like Dad, Nando, that she sees him in me? Lola's memory failing her. She forgets things sometimes. For now, I may need to tidy the house. Okay. Or perhaps I'm not quite tired as press F to select actions. May nagkukul sa atin. I need to check my phone for messages. Take your phone out from inside your bag. Okay. Press E to use phone, T to translate. Nando de Guzman. Tay, nakauwi na po ako. Ivan Santiago. May dayo, san ka na? Jerry Musico. Talakabola. Jonabil Reyes. Oli, san ka na? Chick boy din pala to si Angelo. Yuan Chua. San ka na bro? Gina kami. Jovan. Laro na laro. May dayo kabilang barangay. Basketball player pala to si Angelo. Sebastian Carlos. Tara laro. One game lang. Robin J. May dayo daw pre. Gets. Eli de Guzman. Gets kailan bayaran ng kuryente. Warren Birene. San ka na? Andito na kami. Francis Eric. Ikaw na lang kulang. Tara na. Sensya ka na pre. May gagawin pa ako sa bahay. Later na kayo. Tulungan muna natin si Lola. Okay. Use the mop in the bathroom. Clean the dirty floors. Dilim. Typical na Pinoy na CR, no? Use the mop. Okay. They really have to do this. Tulungan natin si Lola. Kawawa naman. Every time I come back home, there's always things left to clean. Okay.
Ako na dyan, Nando. Sige na.
Okay lang
Ako
po,
na
Lola.
bahala dyan.
Okay lang po, Lola. Ako na po. Okay. Dami ding hugasin. Tulungan natin si Lola. So apparently my job here is to clean the house every time. Okay. I guess yun na yan. Meron pa ba? Can I just not clean this? No one ever notice anyway. Put the map back. Okay. This is really exhausting. Okay, hugasin natin yung mga plato. Kawawa naman si
Nando.
Lola. Mag-isa lang.
Nasaan ba si Angelo? Hating gabi na, wala pa siya.
I need something to scrub this. Left click to wash. Almost done. Just a few more. Why does this feel sticky? Go to the bathroom. I have to take a piss. Okay, CR tayo. Hello? Anyone home? May tao sa labas. I just got home. Ano pa pwede natin gawin? Well, pick up and organize the newspaper. Okay. Place all the newspaper in the top cabinet of the living room.
Gelo, buti na namin dyan ka. Hiramin ko sana yung panahin ng lola mo.
Living room? Dito pa kaya? What a weird look. May tao sa labas. Nakamast pa. Gagi. Saan ba ito nilalagay yung newspaper? I just got home. Wait lang ah. Wait lang. Living room?
Hindi ko alam kung saan siya nakalagay eh.
Nakalagay nakalagay siya sa blue container na cookie.
It's in the blue cookies container. Okay, wait lang.
Alam ko na. Teka, hanapin ko lang.
Ito. Typical na pangtahi talaga, no? Blue container.
Angelo, wag na pala.
What? Bakit? May newspaper pa dun. Okay. Yan na ba? Hindi mo makuha ulit. Do I have to do this every time I get home? Okay, ano ba pwede natin gawin? Nagawa na natin yung floor. Nag-change na tayo ng clothes. Nag-wash ng dishes. Nag-ayos ng newspaper. So, I guess pwede na tayo manood ng TV. Press the remote. Okay. Ito ba? Press the remote power on button.
In the heart of
Left click.
Southeast Asia lies a land of breathtaking beauty, where the sea embraces the land in an endless dance of tides and time. The Philippines, an archipelago of 7,641 islands, is a paradise unlike any other. From the towering peaks of its majestic mountains to the depths of its crystal-clear waters, the Philippines is a testament to the splendor of nature and the resilience of its people. Each island in the Philippines has a story, a soul, and a heartbeat. From the jagged limestone cliffs of Palawan to the rolling waves of Siargao, from the endless sandbars of Bohol to the
Naantok na si
untouched
Angelo.
paradise of Batanes, the archipelago is a living, breathing masterpiece. Beneath the clouds, the land rises to meet the sky. The Philippines is home to more than 20 active volcanoes, including
Kumain ka na dito, Nando. Bago ka matulog.
Okay, Lola. Go to the kitchen, eat your dinner.
Nando, huwag kang masyadong nagpapagod sa trabaho.
Angelo po.
Pakibigay mo ito, Nando, sa paborito kong apo, si Angelo.
Nakaka-touch naman to.
Sige, sagutin mo.
May tumatawag. Nando de Guzman.
Pumunta ka dito sa ospital.
Ano?
Lola, bumagsak siya kanina.
Oh my
Hindi na
God.
siya nagising. Ilak mo yung bahay, pumunta ka dito sa ospital, ha?
What the heck? Naaksidente si Lola. Sometimes the one we love stays with us, even after they're gone. Nakaka-touch yung gameplay. Nagustuhan ko yung game. I hope kayo din. If gusto nyo pa maglaro ako ng ganitong game, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Thank you guys for watching.